In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix network issues on iPhone 15 and 15 Pro and how we can do this. So let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to go over here to the settings. Now from here we have to scroll it down and navigate to the general. Now from here we have to scroll it down and over here you can see there is date and time. Now make sure the set automatically should be turned on. For some users you might have turned it off it, so make sure that you have turned on this. After trying this, we just need to go back. Now from here, go back to the general once again. Now from here, we have to scroll it down all the way down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. Now go for the reset once again, and there is an option called reset network settings. So keep in mind, the reset network settings is not going to delete any of your data. What it's going to do is it's going to change the screen layout, and if any Wi-Fi password that is saved or it's already connected, you just need to connect it back. Those kind of things will be happening. And also keep in mind that it won't delete any of your data. So after the reset network settings, if you just go back and you check, you can see that right now the network issues on your device is completely fixed. And that's it, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.